Do you want to copy the text from an image of a book, a presentation, or flyer to Word without typing it manually? In this video, we'll turn a picture into editable text step by step. The fastest method is to use OneNote to read the text from the image. Then paste that text into Word. Start by opening OneNote on your computer. If it is not already installed, you can download it for free from Microsoft's website. Next, create a blank note. Now insert your image. Right-click the picture, then look for the option to copy text from the picture. Now click that option. Next, go back to Word and click where you want the text. Then choose a paste option to your liking. This is usually very fast, but always check the result. OneNote uses OCR, and OCR can misread letters, punctuation, line breaks, and numbers. So after pasting, fix spelling and numbers, clean up the formatting, and apply your normal word styles. Now let's look at the second method. This one is useful when you want Word to rebuild the page as an editable document. This method is not the most reliable. If your image contains too many graphical elements or the overall image is too complicated, Word will refuse to convert it to editable text. In Word, go to Insert. Choose Pictures. Then pick your image. Place the image on the page. Now save this file as a PDF. Choose PDF as the file type. Save it. Next, open that PDF in Word. Go to Open and choose the PDF you've saved. Word will show a message saying it will convert the PDF into an editable Word document. Click OK. Now Word creates an editable version of the content. This method can work well, but the layout may not match perfectly. You might see line breaks move. Tables may need fixing. Fonts and spacing can change a little. Use this method when you want more than plain text. For example, when the image is basically a scanned page and you want Word to rebuild the structure. Be aware that optical character recognition can make mistakes, and that the PDF method is not accurate when recreating formatting. Be sure to check for issues and fix them in time. Still fixing formatting instead of writing? Styles, references, tables, manual fixes slow everything down. Until now, meet OnStyle. OnStyle automatically identifies and corrects issues in Word documents. And when creating new documents, it helps by applying standard styles and formatting rules. Imagine fixing all your issues related to cross-referencing, linking, instructional or hidden text, heading numbering, table formatting, and so much more with just a few clicks. Try OnStyle for free now